Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we are checking out and reviewing this futon mattress. So let's get started. I can't wait because you know what? Today's a good day to be alive. So guys, this is the box that the futon mattress comes in. We picked the queen size, but you guys can pick your size on the listing. All right guys, this is it. Wow, it's actually really soft. So I've been laying on it already, just kind of playing with it a little bit here. Oh my goodness, that is soft. Like, that is really soft, surprisingly soft as well. Yeah, it's really nicely padded. They made this really nice. I mean, you could even lay this down on the ground and then have a sleeping bag on top and be fairly comfortable. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see the thickness, but this is pretty thick. It's thick and soft. Wow. I know I keep saying that, but it's true. Definitely a really nice mattress. Good for sleepovers too. You wouldn't even need a sleeping bag. Obviously, a sleeping bag would help, but yeah, so this would work for not only just a futon, pull-out futon, but we actually have a pull-out sofa. I bet you this would work really nice for a mat for that as well. I like this. I'm happy with this, guys. I really think you're going to be happy too. All right, now, don't mind me. It's time to take a nap. Oh, yeah. I'm just gonna sleep the stresses of the world away. This is nice, guys. I wouldn't be still filming if I didn't like this. I would have told you guys right away. I actually do like this a lot. I don't think anyone's gonna be upset. I think everyone's gonna be happy with this. I wouldn't see why you would be upset. It's nicer than the others I've reviewed. And how could I forget? There's also a carrying bag here as well. So they got this bag that you could put it in as well. This is a different bag than what we showed you in the beginning. It's kind of funny. At first you think there's no way it's gonna fit, but if you keep cramming it in, guys, it fits in the bag. It is amazing.